Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tim. And guess what today is? It's going to be a teeth cleaning day. This is going to be my very first dental trip here in the Philippines. I've been here 6 months. I'm due for a routine teeth cleaning today. I've been told by other dentists that the teeth cleaning has 3 different levels of cost depending on how much plaque buildup you have on your teeth. Low plaque buildup is going to cost 1,500 pesos. Medium plaque buildup, 2,500 pesos. And a lot of plaque buildup is 3,500 pesos. I'm going to walk over to the dentist. I'm going to take you with me on my journey today. And we're going to see if they upsell me some services like they do in America, or if they just give me a routine teeth cleaning and send me on my way. Stay tuned. Here I am at the beautiful entrance to Mactan Newtown. And I am going to go to the dentist I brought to you on a video a few weeks ago, located near the doctor's office. I'm going to take a right out of the entrance. I'm going to take a right onto Quezon Highway. And here we are at the Illinois Dental Healthcare Center here in Lapu-Lapu. They are open. Here the clinic hours 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday, Sunday by appointment. That's your telephone number. And that is your dental clinic. Let's go in and see if they're open.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Do you have availability for teeth cleaning? Okay, this is the reception area at the Illinois Dental Healthcare Center, located a 5-minute walk from Mactan Newtown. And I am going to get a cleaning here a little bit later, and I will provide you with a update and a review of the cleaning that I do receive. I heard good news about this. I'm going to let you know what my opinion is. So stay tuned, friends. All right, I just got back to the dentist's office. I had to come back. Normally you can call for reservations or go on Facebook for reservations, and so far it's been easy. I only needed to fill out essentially my name and address and my phone number on a card like that. Soon I'll be going in. They will not allow me to video inside the dentist's office, so I'll give you a full review after my cleaning, but I'm going to go in for a cleaning. I'll give you the full cost and the procedures they did, and I'll compare it to what I normally get in America. Stay tuned, friends. As part of the procedure, they required me to wear this hair net or head cap. Let's go in and get a teeth cleaning now. So I just checked out, and the cleaning is 1,000 pesos, and I will put for a minimum
Yes, sir.
cleaning, because they said my teeth were in good shape, and I do
Yes,
get
sir.
my teeth cleaned every 6 months. So that is my experience at the Alama Dental Healthcare Center, located a 5-minute walk from Mactan Newtown. I was in the dentist's office probably about 15 minutes. And they do use ultrasonic cleaning technique. Some dentists in America will use the ultrasonic cleaning. Some will use the old-fashioned scraping of the teeth with a stainless pick. They use ultrasonic cleaning. I was a little surprised that they had that. And it took about 15 or 20 minutes from start to finish. It did cost 1,000 pesos. I did have to wear a hair net. That is unique in America. I don't wear a hair net. And they clean my teeth. They give you a cup of solution to rinse your mouth periodically throughout the cleaning. They give you a cup of solution. You rinse your mouth and you spit it into, they have a little sink on the side of the dentist chair, where in America they would have water shooting in your mouth and they would have a suction and you wouldn't have to do that. But here it was no big deal for me. It was no issue at all to rinse the mouth because the sink was convenient. It was located, it was like part of the chair actually. So overall, I would rate the experience a good experience. Once I got into the office, they were friendly, they were fast. They wrote up the receipt, they took my payment, 1,000 pesos. I think that's equivalent to somewhere like 18 US dollars or something like that. They said my teeth are excellent, so they gave me the price of a light cleaning because my teeth are in good shape. I go every 6 months. At least when I was in America, I'd get my teeth cleaned every 6 months, so my teeth are in pretty good condition. And overall, I would recommend the dental clinic. The dentist, who is very friendly, very good. She's the one that actually did the cleaning. In America, they normally have a dental hygienist do the cleaning, but here, at least at this dental clinic, it was actually the dentist herself that did the cleaning. So that was a slight difference. You have the actual professional doctor doing the cleaning. Overall, great experience. I would recommend going here for 18 US dollars. In fact, in America, I think the last time the retail price without insurance for dental cleaning, I think it was close to 300 US dollars if you didn't have insurance. And if you have insurance, you know, your deductible or copay could vary. But all I know is whenever I get a cleaning in America, I'm paying way more than 18 US dollars for the cleaning. And right here's Mactan Newtown towers already. So if you wanted to, if you want to clean your teeth more frequently, and I might go back there in 3 or 4 months again, because I'm kind of freakish about getting my teeth cleaned. So I might go back in 3 or 4 months and get it done again for $18. Why not, right? So that is your teeth cleaning video at the Alima Dental Clinic. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Feel free to share this video with anybody you feel is interested in this content. Have a great day, everybody. Say well, hello, everyone. Goodbye. I also wanted to add that after they did sonic clean my teeth, they did polish my teeth with a polish tool as well, which is similar to what they do in America. After they clean, they polish your teeth. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you. Welcome to my vlog. Vlog is welcome.